Hello everyone, welcome to another Math Olympiad question. In this question, we are finding the variable x and we have given that x factorial which is equal to x power 3 minus x. So we know that factorial which is equal to x minus 1, x minus 2 factorial. Because we know that in the factorial we are we get the 5 factorial which is equal to 5 multiply 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1, or we are using 5 multiply 4 factorial, or 4 factorial which is equal to 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 factorial, or 4 multiply 3 factorial. So this is equal to x factorial which is equal to x minus 1 x minus 2 factorial which is equal to x in the place of x 3 minus x, we can take common of x, so in this side we can left x square minus in this side we can left 1. So here we can get this. So this is equal to x minus 1 x minus 2 factorial, and this is x, and this is we can get the formula a square minus b square which is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So in the place of x square minus 1 we can write x minus 1 and x plus 1. So here this 2 will be cancelled, and we can left x minus 2 factorial which is equal to x plus 1. So here we can write in the place of 1 x minus 2 factorial which is equal to, in the place of 1 we can write x minus 2 plus 3 which is equal to 1. So we can let x minus 2 which is equal to y. So in the place of x minus 2 we can write y. So here this is y factorial which is equal to y plus 3. So if we take subtract minus y on both sides, we can get y factorial minus y which is equal to 3. So this is in the place of y factorial. We can also write y minus 1 factorial minus y which is equal to 3. So in the both side we can take common of y. We take common of y, we can left in this side y minus 1 factorial minus in this side we can left 1 which is equal to 3. So here we can take dividing. If we can dividing y on both side, then these two y will be cancelled and we left y minus 1 factorial minus 1 which is equal to 3 divided by y. So if we adding 1 on both side, adding 1, so we can left y minus 1 factorial which is equal to 3 divided by y plus 1. So here we can get y minus 1 factorial which is equal to 3 divided by plus 1. So we can if we see that if we putting y values which is greater than equal to 1, then if we put y which is equal to 1 in this equation, if we putting y is equal to 1 in this equation, we can get 1 minus 1 factorial which is equal to 3 divided by 1 plus 1. So this is equal to 0 factorial which is equal to 4. So this is wrong. And if we putting y which is equal to 2 in this equation, we can get 2 minus 1 factorial which is equal to 3 divided by 2 plus 1. So this is equal to 1 factorial which is equal to 5 divided by 2 which is also wrong. And if we putting y is equal to 3 in this equation, we can get 3 minus 1 which is equal to 2 factorial which is equal to 3 divided by 3 plus 1 So 2 factorial, which is equal to 1 plus 1, 2. So this is 2 and 2, 2 which is equal to 2. This is right. So our value of y, which is 3, which is the final value of this y. So if y which is equal to 3, so we putting the value of y, we can let here y which is equal to x minus 2. So if we putting we can let x minus 2 which is equal to y, so we can put y which is equal to 3 here, so we can get x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 5. So our final value of this question, x which is equal to 5. So we can check our answer is right or wrong. Then we can see the question is x factorial which is equal to x power 3 minus x. So our value of x which is equal to 5, so there 5 factorial which is equal to 5 power 3 minus 5. So here 5 factorial which is equal to 5 multiply 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1, and 5 multiply 5 which is equal to 125 minus 5, 120 which is equal to 120. So our answer is right. This is final answer of this question. Thanks for watching.